My dear friends, welcome to Rajashekhar classes on ethical hacking. This is lecture number 41. In this lecture, we will try to understand installation of Metasploitable 2 in VirtualBox. To install Metasploitable 2, we have to download the installer of Metasploitable 2. First, go to its official website docs.rapid7.com. Just click Metasploitable 2. You will get two links. First link is here, second link is here. In this website, you will get two links to download the files for Metasploitable 2. So let us choose the second link. This is the second link. By just click the second link. Click the download button. Your download will start within 5 to 6 seconds. You will get a zip file like Metasploitable. You will get a zip file with the name Metasploitable-Linux 2.0.0.zip. Now you have to extract that zip file. The extraction will be completed. Open your VirtualBox and click on new. This one. You have to open your VirtualBox. Just click on new. After clicking new, give name to your operating system. We are giving name as Meta 2 and this Linux type system, and version is Ubuntu 64-bit. Just see what is the name we are giving Meta 2 and what is the type and version. Type is we are selecting Linux. Just let me show. Version is what is type Linux, version is Ubuntu 64-bit. After that, even you can check. Just I am giving name Meta 2, type Linux, version Ubuntu 64-bit. Just click next. If you click next, what will you get? What will it ask? Again, it is asking to allocate memory. We are allocating 1024 MB memory. After allocating memory, just again what you have to do, you have to click on next. Create a virtual hard disk. Now create a virtual hard disk now, but for installation of Metasploitable 2, we will choose use existing virtual hard disk file. You have to choose this particular radio button, use an existing virtual hard disk file. Then what you have to do, just click on create. So basically the file which you downloaded, it contains just what you have to do here. Basically the file which you downloaded, it contains virtual hard disk file. So we will browse that by clicking add disk image. Just see this one. Just click add disk image and you have to search for that downloaded Metasploitable 2. This is metasploitable.vmdk. Now what you have to do? You have to choose now. There's an option, there is a button choose. Just click on choose, and what you have to do after that one, just click on create. The installation of Metasploitable 2 is completed. You have to just click on start button. Now Metasploitable 2 system is starting up. IP address. What is this IP address of Metasploitable 2? Just you can check with this particular command if config. What is IP address? 10.0.2.15, isn't it? So this is the virtual IP. What is this IP? This is virtual IP. This is the virtual IP allocated by VirtualBox, isn't it? Now let us start our just see. Next again check your this one, your Kali Linux operating system. Again that column, again press if config. Therefore, what is the IP address? Again it is giving 10 point, what is that IP address? 10.0.2.15, isn't it? Now the IP address of Metasploitable 2 is same as IP address of Kali Linux. It means VirtualBox is allocating same IP addresses to both of the machines, which means we cannot access Metasploitable 2 from our Kali Linux. Thus, we cannot do any practice in this mode. To change the networking mode, what we have to do, I will discuss that concept in my next class. Thank you very much.